They all smell the same to me, but I like the color. Does this look like my shade? I have been trying to get this for so long. So long. Hey guys! Hello my sunny berries, welcome back to my channel. So I have a very interesting video for you guys today. I'm going to be doing an Ulta haul. Yes. We needed a little retail therapy, so I decided to buy some things. Feel free to kick back, relax, eat a snack, watch along with me as I open these things. Maybe you'll be inspired, you might buy some things yourself. But before you keep watching, make sure you like and subscribe. Be sure to comment down below any videos that you would like to see next, and keep on watching. So the first item I got was the 𝓲𝓵𝓵𝓸 little set. I've already used the other one that came in here, so I didn't want to show that one. But it's the 𝓲𝓵𝓵 coffee scrub. It looks really cute. Imagine a world where you shower yourself in chocolate. Exfoliator for smooth, glowing skin. The next thing I got, and the most essential thing, and the first thing I actually got this for, was some soap. I got 2 soaps. I actually got 8 soaps. We have 4 or 3.5 bathrooms, so I got enough soap to last us now for during this self-isolation time. And they were buy 2 get 2. We love, so I was like, let me get a lot of them. So I got eucalyptus mint and lavender mint. So this looks like I had a theme, and I promise I didn't have a theme. It just happened to look like this. So the next item I got was the Florence Leica Skin Tint, and it is purple also. The Florence by Mills, sorry. I got it in the color D190. I hope that I got this online, so I don't know for sure if this is my color. Does this look like it matches me? Sometimes we want to glow and we just can't. This non-greasy skin tint gives us all the glow we need, but is still sheer enough to let our natural beauty shine through. Made with plant-based oils and nourishing moisturizers to make our skin look and feel smoother, like a little dewdrop. Well, I want my skin to look like a little dewdrop. Yes, I'm okay with that. I'm going to do a wear test on this, so be prepared. My next video will probably be that. Like I said, we were working on the bathroom stuff, so I decided to get some poopery. This is the pink citron, or citron, however you want to say it. It's before you go toilet spray. It has strawberry, citron, and rock candy in it. Hey there, sweet cheeks. Poopery Pink Citron is a pure blend of natural essential oils that eliminates bathroom odor before it begins and leaves the toilet smelling better than you found it. So you can leave a little sparkle wherever you go. That's so cute, I love it. Morphe and James Charles brush set. It's the eye brush set. Morphe eye brushes are the best eye brushes I've ever used, and I will continue to say that for a really long time. I bought this brush set because they have all of my favorite brushes in this set. So I got it while it was on sale. It was half off, and I can donate this thing that says James Charles on it to someone that really likes the thing. Because I already have a brush holder and I don't really care that much about like the name of it. But there's brushes in here. All these brushes are my faves. I will be doing a brush boot camp with these faves. So now this thing, the Urban Skin RX cleansing bar. This thing, literally, I've gone to so many stores to find this. And when I saw that it was back in stock, I was like, oh my gosh. This bar is supposed to be the most amazing cleansing bar in the world for dark skin. So I want to try it. It is the clear skin one. They have an even tone one, which I almost got, but I talked to my esthetician and she said to get the clear skin. So we got the clear skin. It comes with a sponge. This pore clarifying 3-in-1 cleansing treatment offers a blend of sulfur and salicylic acid perfect for controlling oil and breakout prone skin while reducing dark spots. The Urban Skin 3-in-1 treatment cleansing bar. This is the clear skin one. So if you have dry skin or dry to normal skin, then you will want to use the even tone one. If you have oily to combo skin, you can use the clear skin. So the next items that I got are the Tony Moly mask. Now I got several versions of this and you'll see why in just a second. So the first one that I got is the avocado, or I am avocado, and it is a nutrition one, and I'm using this because it's supposed to help with tired skin. And next week is finals week, so I just know that my skin is going to be screaming at me. So I wanted to make sure that I got something to help with that. The next item that I got is the I Am Pearl Luminizing Mask. It contains pearl ingredient to make skin look clear and glowing. I also got the I'm Rice one, the clear skin one. It makes dull skin look radiant and glowing, and I love this one for when I get hormonal breakouts and stress breakouts. The last mask that I got is the Changing Magic Foot Peeling Shoe, and this is supposed to transform your foot. These peeling shoes designed for removing foot calluses help make the rough skin on your foot feel clean and smooth. These peeling shoes contain fruit extract and AHA extract, which gently remove excessive calluses from your feet. I want to make sure that my feet look nice because sandals. So in the summer, I normally get this foot mask or the baby foot one, which this is literally $20 cheaper than the baby foot one. So I normally get this one and I will use it to make sure that my feet look really nice, but they also take care of like tired feet. So the only thing about these that I don't like is like once they peel, they start peeling for real, and you need to make sure you're at home for that. The Smoothing Stone from Earth Therapeutics, specially constructed with a cellular structure of open and closed pores that facilitate exfoliation, this pedicure smoothing stone effectively polishes away calluses and hard, dry skin. So I like to use, again, these to help with my feet. Obviously a wash rag is good enough for that, but also I just like to make sure that my skin is nice and smooth, so I do that. I bought something based on TikTok. I'm not ashamed. This is the Ordinary Peeling Solution. It's a 10-minute exfoliating facial. According to this, you're supposed to put it on your skin for 10 minutes. It looks like blood, literally like vampire blood, and you put it on your skin, and it is supposed to be just like if you were to go get a peel from your esthetician. So this is the 𝓬𝓭𝓷𝓷𝓮𝓵. It's the 1-in-1 multi-balm, a little tube of magic with all-natural lanolin balm with coconut extract and vitamin E. A super dense balm that seals in moisture. I have heard that this is amazing. It has shea butter and coconut oil. So I'm very excited to put this on and see what it's going to do. I'm not going to put it on my face or on my lips because my face skin is allergic to coconut oil. So we will not be using that. But on my body, we're fine. The last thing that I got is the Jack Black Ultimate Lip Duo. Not ultimate, but ultimate, as in spearmint, which I think is so cute. And it's like Ulta, as in Ulta Beauty, because it can only be bought at Ulta. This is $12. It is the best $12 I've ever spent. I will never go back to another chapstick. I promise this is not in any way of me trying to brag.
Hello, it's me, Editing Sunshine here. I just wanted to say real quick that if you're looking at my mouth and wondering how she's literally talking about a chapstick and she's got stuff around her mouth, it's because it's a lip mask that I was supposed to take off before I started filming this video, but I was so excited that I just kept going. So don't worry, it's a lip mask, it's not the chapstick.
I just wanted to share with you guys and get you guys in on what I like to buy from Ulta, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Just let me know down in the comments below if you like videos like this, if you want to see more like them, and I will be sure to comment back. So thank you all, love you so much, have a good one, bye.